Suppose you have 500,000 Kenya shilling sitting somewhere in the bank and you want to invest in them. Then in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the financial assets you can invest in order to generate some returns on your investment. We're going to start with people with low to moderate risk profile. Then we'll go to people with higher risk tolerance. That is people with high risk profile. And this video is only for educational purpose, so don't take it as a financial advice. Utilize it to gain some insight that can help you decide on which of these investment is suitable for you depending on your risk level. And we'll start with people with low risk profile. And I'm going to share with you around 5 investment opportunities that you can invest in order to gain some returns. So without further ado, let's get started. So with 500,000 Kenya shillings, I'll put 100k, that is 100,000 Kenya shillings, in the NSE dividend stock. And this because in NSE we have companies such as ABSA, NCPA, Standard Charter, Stanbic Bank, and also British America Tobacco Kenya, just to name a few, that pay dividend regularly. For example, the British America Tobacco Kenya pays a dividend of 50 shillings per share. So with 100,000, you can invest in, let's say, 100 shares of British America Tobacco Kenya. And if you have 100 shares, when they pay dividends, you'll have 5,000 shillings as dividend. That is 50 shillings times 100 shares. And you can also invest in ABSA, which is currently going for Kenya shillings 19 shillings 90 cents. And for 100 shares, you will need around 2,000 Kenya shillings. And with 100 shares of ABSA, your dividends will be around 175 Kenya shillings. So you can choose which of these shares you can invest in. So just choose some shares that you find them attractive and do some research behind these companies if you want to invest in the NSE stock market in order to gain some dividend. So we're gonna put 100,000 in NSE stock. We also have something called special fund, that is Kuza Momentum special fund. And special fund are collective investment schemes that involve multi-asset strategy, and also they invest in both local and international market, and they incorporate also forex trading, that is for short-term trading and also long-term trading strategy. And the main agenda of this special fund is to help clients maintain their capital while also getting higher return irrespective of the market condition. So with Kuza Momentum Special Fund, the minimum amount to invest in this special fund is 100,000 Kenya shillings. Most of the other special funds that are available in Kenya will charge you more than 100,000 Kenya shillings. And that's why I'll go for Kuza Momentum Special Fund. So go and do more research or watch this video here that I did about special fund and see how they operate. So let's now go into our next opportunity, that is the US ETF. So instead of investing in a single stock like ABSA, ETFs is a collection of different stocks. For example, we have Fancard S&P 500 ETF. This is a collection of stocks of the top performing 500 companies in the US. So you are investing in a portfolio of stock when you invest in a ETF, which offer more diversification than investing in a single stock, which is risky. So consider also investing in an ETF, which acts as a caution compared to investing in a single stock. So for this, we're gonna also put around 100,000 Kenya shillings. Now we are remaining with 200,000 Kenya shillings. So with the remaining 200,000, we're gonna put 100,000 as our emergency fund in the MMF. And the reason why we are putting our emergency fund in MMF is because of liquidity. So for MMF, for you to withdraw your money, it takes like 1 to 3 days. Unlike in shares where you need to resell your shares, which might take a while. But for MMF, you can withdraw your money anytime. And some of the best performing MMF include Cyton. They had 17.4% return last year. We also have Lofty Copan Money Market Fund. They had a 16.16% return last year. And also Etika Money Market Fund. They had 15.90%. This is just to name a few. So look for a money market fund that is suitable for you. And the other remaining 100,000 we're gonna put into treasury bonds and also healthcare insurance. So for treasury bonds in Kenya, the minimum investment is 50,000 Kenya shillings. And for additional investment on top of 50,000 Kenya shillings, the minimum is also 50,000 Kenya shillings. But infrastructure bonds require a higher minimum of 100,000 Kenya shillings. And this is one of the safest investment you can make. So if you are so afraid of investing in the stock market, then you can go with treasury bonds. Let's say you can reduce the amount of money you invest in the NSE stock. For example, invest 50,000 there, and the rest of the 50 you put them in the treasury bonds. Same case to the ETFs. So you can reduce from 100 to 50,000 and put the other 50 into treasury bonds. So lastly, we have the healthcare insurance, which is a must. So if you have SHA, that is the Social Health Authority insurance, you can also do another extra cover, which is affordable. So with 50,000, I think it will be possible for you to even get a cover for a family of four. For example, we have Britam Bima ya Mwananchi, designed for affordability, offering essential coverage with premium starting from Kenya shillings 4,600 for individual and 14,200 for a family of four. And that is the least portion of your 500,000 you can invest in. So make sure that you have an health insurance and also an emergency fund before you invest in the stock market and also in a special fund. Let's now go to people with higher risk profile. So if you want to take more risk, then I'll advise you to go with Mansa-X fund. This is one of the oldest special fund in Kenya. It was launched in 2019, and the minimum investment for you to get started with Mansa-X is 250,000 Kenya shillings, which is a half of your 500,000 Kenya shillings. And the minimum top up is 100,000 Kenya shillings. So that is after you have invested 250,000 Kenya shillings and you want to add more investment into Mansa-X, then you need to top up something not less than 100,000 Kenya shillings. And they have good returns. For last year, it was 19.53%, and for 2023, it was 18.01. So you can see this is a good return on investment. So before even you invest in Mansa-X, it's advisable you have an emergency fund. And we're gonna also put 100,000 Kenya shillings as emergency fund in an MMF. I've already shared with you about Saiton and even Etika as the best money market fund you can invest your emergency fund on. And the reason is because there is high liquidity and also you have caution on inflation. You are able to beat inflation by investing in money market fund. And let's now go into the dividend stock, that is the NSE market. For this, we're gonna put 50,000 Kenya shillings. And some of the shares you can invest in include APSA, which is affordable. We have NCPA, Standard Charter, and also Stanbic Bank. So these are among the affordable ones, that is NCPA and Stanbic, and also APSA. So if you want to invest in NSE in order to get dividends, then you can check out these shares and do more research on which of the shares also pay higher dividends. Like for example, we had British American Tobacco Kenya, which also paid a dividend of 50 shillings last year. So if you had 100 shares, that means you will get a dividend of 5,000 Kenya shillings. And our next investment will be in the US stock market. And for this, I advise you to go for ETFs rather than individual stocks, because you get more diversification by investing in ETFs. And you can invest in this ETF through platform like Ndovu or ISA, and this platform offer fractional shares. So let's say Vanguard S&P 500 ETF is going for 6,000 US dollars and you don't have that amount. You can purchase like 10% of that ETF, and that is what we call fractional shares, and that is possible through platform like Ndovu or ISA. And finally, you should have an healthcare insurance, because your health matters more even than investment. So investing in a health insurance is also a good thing. And for that, we'll put 50,000 Kenya shillings, the same case as people with low or moderate risk profile. And some of the Insurance cover you can take include Jubilee, J-Care. We also have Britam, Bima ya Mwananchi, and also EquiHealth, which are most affordable for you. And that's all I had to share with you on how you can invest 500,000 Kenya shillings based on your risk profile, and consider doing more research about investment in order for you to make the right decision. Reach out to your financial advisor for you to make the right decision on your investment, and consider liking this video and share it with your friends who are also interested in investing their money in either of these financial assets.